नाज मीडिया उर्दू में आपका खैर मकदम है। इस वीडियो को पेश करने में ताउन किया है यूनाइटेड हॉस्पिटल सपना मल्टीप्लेक्स के करीब गंपा रोड बेदर, हीलिंग ट्री हॉस्पिटल मल्टी सुपर स्पेशलिटी बेदर, अहमद टूरिस्ट एंड ट्रैवल्स हज और उम्रा सर्विसेज। आपकी खिदमत हमारे नज़र में किसी इबादत से कम नहीं, आपका एतमाद ही हमारी कामयाबी है।
बेदर का मरूफ तालीमी इदारा आर्किड पब्लिक प्राइमरी व हाई स्कूल के तलबा की जानिब से साइंसी नुमाइश का इनेकाद किया गया। नुमाइश का इफ्तिताह मेहमान खुसूसी जनाब सैयद खुर्शीद अहमद कादरी ECO उर्दू महकमा तालीमात आमा के हाथों अमल में आया, जबकि मेहमानान खुसूसी की हैसियत से जनाब सैयद फुरकान पाशा सब्जेक्ट इंस्पेक्टर महकमा तालीमात आमा बेदर, जनाब शेख मसीह अल-दीन माज़फ मुअल्लिम व कौमी हाकी खिलाड़ी, जनाब अख्तर अहमद खान माज़फ मुअल्लिम व साबिक सदर करटा ज़िला बेदर, जनाब मोहम्मद अमीन नवाज सहाफ़ी बेदर, मोहतरमा नूरजहां बेगम साहिबा CRP मनियार तालीम क्लस्टर बेदर, जनाब मोहम्मद इलियास अहमद ट्रस्टी आर्किड पब्लिक स्कूल बेदर और मोहतरमा सैयदा गजाला आफरीन साहिबा सदर मुअल्लिमा आर्किड पब्लिक स्कूल बेदर शरीक रहे।
अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। अर्रहमान अल्लमल कुरआन खलक़ल इंसान अल्लमहुल बयान। अश-शम्सु वल क़मरु बिहुस्बान वन्नज्मु वश्शजरु यस्जुदान वस्समाअ रफ़अहा फवज़अल मीज़ान अल्ला तत्ग़ौ फ़िल मीज़ान वअक़ीमुल वज़्न बिल क़िस्ति वला soldier. I am always ready to fight. Good morning everyone. My name is Susan. I am studying in first standard. I am soldier. I protect my country. Good morning everyone. My name is Dinesh. I am studying in first standard. I am a soldier. I am brave and strong. Good morning everyone. My name is Saifat. I am studying first standard. I am a soldier for my country. I would sacrifice my life. Good morning everyone. My name is Shakwa Dali. I am studying first standard. I am a soldier. I fight for my country. हो गया? Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aditya. I am studying third standard. I am a pilot fly helicopter. Good morning everyone. My name is Aditya. I am studying in third standard. I am a pilot fly helicopter and military planes. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Amdali. I am studying third standard. I am a pilot fly the passengers safely to their destination. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Mohammad Abdullah. I am studying in second standard. I am a pilot travel the world. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Pailan. I am studying in second standard. I am a pilot. Pilots are very polite and they greet passenger. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sarah Fatima. I am studying first standard. I am doctor. I teach people. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Chetan. I am studying in third standard. I am a policeman ready to save the nation people anytime. Thank you. Everyone, my name is Aditya. I am studying second standard. I am a policeman wears khaki uniform. Thank you. Good afternoon everyone. My name is Shafila. I am studying in third standard. I am policeman maintain the law and order. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Lihan. I am studying second standard. I am policeman are all time all duty.
Good morning, my name is Raghav.
And my name is Fawaz Saqib. We are studying in 8th standard.
This model shows how to convert free energy into electrical energy.
Free energy in thermodynamics, energy-like property or state, function of a system in thermodynamics equilibrium.
Free energy has the dimensions of energy.
Free energy is used to determine how system change and how much work they produce.
Length of this tube shows how much electrical work is done by the free energy.
Thank you.
Good afternoon all of you. My name is Veer Singh.
My name is Rita Singh.
My school name is Chordsingh Public School. My model name is the real number tree. This is a real number tree. Real number is included by natural number, whole number, integer number, rational number, irrational number.
This is a natural number. Natural number is denoted by letter capital N is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is a whole number. Whole number is denoted by W is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is an integer number. Integer number is denoted by Z or I. Z is equal to set 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3.
This is a rational number. Rational number means a fraction.
This is a irrational number. Irrational number such as root 3, root 5, etc. all are real number.
Thank you, sir.
फर्स्ट कौन सा देखो हम उठे तो आवाज पकड़ के बोलो तुम पकड़ो तो तुम्हारा My name is Sayyida Ali Anisa. I am studying in 8th standard. My name is Mariam Ansa. I am studying in 8th standard. My name is Rafa. I am studying in 8th standard. Our model name is solar system. The 8 planets of our solar system are Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. All 8 planets have their own unique features. The Sun is a star and is the largest body in our solar system. It is located at the center of the solar system. The Sun is made up of mostly hydrogen and helium gases.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Mercury is close, but it's not actually the hottest planet. Venus is the hottest planet. It has a thick atmosphere full of the greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide, and clouds made of sulfuric acid.
And the Earth is our home. It has a rocky planet. It is covered more than 70% of the Earth. Mars is a cold, arid world. It is the half size of Earth. Mars gets red hue from rusty iron. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system because it is so large. Jupiter's gravity pulls a lot of gas and dust, which make it similar to a star. Saturn. Other planets have rings, but Saturn is the most beautiful ring around. Are made of tiny ringlets that are made of chunks of ice and rock.
Uranus has a small rocky center and the atmosphere consists of hydrogen, helium, and methane. The methane gives Uranus its blue color.
Neptune of the Sun than the Earth. It is dark, cold, and windy planet. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Vaishnavi Bhosle from 7th standard.
Myself Shafin from 8th standard.
Our model name is section of human heart. The heart has 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are called right atrium and left atrium, and the 2 lower chambers are called right ventricle and left ventricle.
Outer supply blood to the body. The rhythmic expansion and contraction of human heart is called pulse rate. These all muscle contract and relax rhythmically.
Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. Veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ifra Muska and I am studying 9th standard. My model name is state of matter. This is solid, this is liquid, this is gas. Solid has definite shape. The molecules are very closely packed in solid. There is a strong force of attraction between the molecules. Solid are hard and rigid. Solid cannot flow. Liquid, due to the weak force of attraction between the molecules, they are hard, they are not close to each other. Liquid do have definite volume. Liquid can flow. Gases, the molecule in gases have weak force of attraction between them. The molecules move freely in gases. Gases does not have fixed shape or fixed volume. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shagran. We are studying in 7th standard.
My name is Sabil Ahmed. Our topic name is different type of angle.
Acute triangle, isosceles triangle, silent triangle. 3 sides and equal angles are equal. 2 sides and angles are equal. 3 sides and angles are not equal.
Acute angle, rectangle, oblique angle. In this angle less than 90 degree. In this angle equal to 90 degree. In this angle greater than 90 degree. Thank you.
Good afternoon sir, welcome to our exhibition. Myself Ikhra Fatima, I am studying in 9th standard. My model name is different types of graphs. Graphs are a common method to visualize illustrated relationship in the data. This is histogram. A histogram is a graphical representation of a grouped frequency distribution with continuous classes. This is pie chart and this is bar graph. Bar graph is a graphical representation of information. Bar graph can created with vertical bar, horizontal bar and grouped bar. A pie chart is a type of graph representation data in a circular form with each silence of the circle of representing a fraction of proportional part of the whole. This is linear graph. A linear graph is a graphical representation of a straight line. A graph when plotted gives a single straight line, then it is known as linear graph. Thank you for watching. Visit again.
afternoon, sir. My name is Sheikh Riyan. I am studying in 7th standard. Our topic name is excretory system. The process of removal of waste produced in the cell of organisms is called excretion. The excretory system involves parts kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra, and urinary opening. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. A mechanism to filter the blood is required. When the blood is reaches to kidneys, it contains useful and harmful substances. Useful substances are dissolved in water back into the blood. The waste which is the waste dissolved in water and back into the blood. The urine goes into the urinary bladder. सर ये हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करना सर. सर ये किडनी है, ये जो भी यूज़फुल एंड हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस ये दोनों अलग करती है. और हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस जो भी होते हैं वो यूरेटर के पास भेजती है, और जो भी यूज़फुल सब्सटेंस होते हैं वो ब्लड के ज़रिए पूरी बॉडी में भेजती है. और जो भी हार्मफुल सब्सटेंस होते हैं यूरेटर के पास, वो यूरेटर से ब्लडर के पास पहुंचाता है, और ब्लडर यूरेटर के ज़रिए पहुंचाता है. इसके ज़रिए होता है ये. आई विल शो यू सर.
Welcome to our exhibition. My name is Aksa Fatima. I am studying in 8th standard. Our model name is seed germination. Germination is the process of seed developing into new plants. Germination is known as spotting. Radicle is the embryonic root of plant growing downward in the soil.
Seed coat. The outer covering of a seed is called seed coat. Helps protect from injury. Cotyledon is a part of the embryo within the seed of a plant. It is also called storage unit of a seed. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to our exhibition.
Myself Nida Nazneen.
Myself Zoha Sultana.
Myself Tabassum Begum.
We are from 7th class. Our model name is climate change.
Climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature and weather pattern. Such shift can be natural due to changes in the sun's activity or large volcanic eruption. Fossil fuels are by the large contribution to the greenhouse gas emission, which poses major risk to all form of life on Earth.
Climate scientists have shown that the humans are responsible for the virtually all global heating over the last 200 years. Climate change can affect your ability to the housing and safety.
Climate change is a hot topic with maths and circulation widely find some acceleration facts here. See the latest climate report from the United Nations as well as climate change. Thank you for coming.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is MD Arfazab.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is MD Safwan.
This experiment name is golden bulb. We are studying in 7th class. This experiment knows that how to convert mechanical energy into electric energy. Here I am using some apartment. This experiment there are bulb, water, shining paper, battery. In a turbine generator, a moving fluids, water, steam, combustion gases, air pushes a series of these shining paper mounted on a rotor shaft.
The rotor shaft of a generator. The generator in turn converts to mechanical energy of the rotor to electric energy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Mohammad Shakil Khan. I am studying in 7th standard. Our model name is day and night 3D model. The earth is rotated around the axis of earth, become day and night. The earth starts rotating from eastern towards south. The earth complete one rotation in 24 hours. The earth complete one revolution in 365 days. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Sajjan.
And my name is Abhiram. We are studying in 8th standard. Today we will learn about Chandrayaan 3, the third moon mission by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. The cost of Chandrayaan 3 is 600 crore rupees. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on 14th of July 2023 from Sriharikota. Chandrayaan 3 was launched using Aluminium-3 rocket. The rocket has 3 stages.
In first stage, these 2 rocket boosters will be built. In second stage, the Vikas engine will be built. In third stage, cryogenic engine will be built. In the uppermost part of Chandrayaan 3 is located. Chandrayaan 3 has 3 parts. First orbiter, second lander, third rover.
The rover placed inside the lander. When Chandrayaan 3 reaches the moon, the lander was separated from the orbiter.
The lander lands on the moon. The rover comes on the lander. The rover stays on the moon for 14 days. Thank you.
Start करो. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Sheikh Rahmat Pasha.
My name is Zuhair Rahman. My name is Muhammad Ayan.
We are studying 10th standard. Our topic name is model name is waterfall. A waterfall is a place where water rushes down in step ledge.
Waterfall is also known as cascades. Many people like to visit waterfall.
Waterfall is one of the most beautiful thing in nature.
This is a real prototype of the waterfall which is located in Shimoga, Karnataka.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
इधर ला.
لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك لبيك اللهم لبيك لبيك لا شريك لك لبيك إن الحمد والنعمة.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Shifa Kausar, student of 9th standard. Today I will share some details about Hajr al-Aswad. The black stone of Makkah is also known as the Hajr al-Aswad. Is an important relic within the Islamic faith. It is located in Grand Mosque in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. The stone is set in a silver frame nailed to the wall of the Kaaba. Muslim people often kiss the black stone because the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is thought to have kissed it because touching his.
So I have been through the exhibition of the Orchid School. Like, I have seen all the projects from the students and I found it so interesting. The students are explaining so well with logical concepts, even the computational concepts, whatever they have explained so well. So it shows like how much they are getting educated from this particular school. I would like to thank specially to the management, Ilyas sir and Ghazala ma'am. So the students who are who are just growing here with the things, whatever they are learning and whatever they are exploring, it shows in their projects, which I liked it a lot. And especially the Islamic concepts which they are learning, that is also very interesting. So the students can grow in both the fields, including educational, whatever they are just learning from day-to-day lives, that is also being explored and shows. So I like both the things of this Orchid School, whatever projects they have presented.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mashallah. ऑर्किड स्कूल का मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। टीचर्स अच्छे डेवलपमेंट कर रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए, और दीनी मालूमात दीनी तालीम के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा है। और टीचर्स के लिए तो और मतलब उनके लिए और मतलब क्लब्स के लिए ज़रूरी है बहुत वो। तो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इसी तरह हर स्कूल में बच्चों के नॉलेज के लिए, एक्सपीरियंस के लिए एग्जीबिशन ऐसा रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो इंशाअल्लाह हर स्कूल में ऐसा होना बहुत अच्छी बात है, कामयाबी की बात है हर एक के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, टीचर्स के लिए। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।